Hello everyone and welcome to the Trading Psychology course. My name is Michael.
And my name is Nelly. And together we are trading performance coaches. Currently, our service is available only to FTMO traders. The demand for this service is also quite high, and therefore we are unfortunately not able to always accommodate everyone.
That's why we decided to create something that can solve this issue. Our goal with this course was to provide you with the concepts of trading psychology regardless of your initial knowledge. Basically, create something where beginners as well as professionals would find value and improve their trading mindset.
During the course, we will tackle topics such as consistency, emotional stability, confidence in trading, and much more. In a nutshell, everything you can encounter as a trader from A to Z. So before we get into what's coming up in the course, we have one more recommendation for you on how to approach the course. At the beginning, it is important to understand that the chapters are built upon each other. So please, when you go through, don't skip any chapter just because you would think that is not important for your trading. Each chapter has its own purpose to be part of the course, even though it may not seem like that at the first glance. In order to make the course as compact as possible, chapters are fully packed with information, so anytime you will feel like going back over the chapters, just go back and watch it again. The value of the course lies in understanding. Of course, you can make it through in a few hours, however, there is no deadline for finishing the course, so rather try to get that full understanding instead of rush in. After finishing the chapter, take a break and think about its message. We provide you lots of examples so you can find similarities with your own trading, and that takes time. That's why we would recommend you to dedicate at least one day to each chapter. Another thing is that some parts of the course require your own activity. We cannot force you to do something, of course, so it is completely up to you how you will approach it. But the universal advice in these cases is the more you give into it, the more you can get out of it. The course begins with chapter Awareness. Surprisingly, we will talk about awareness concepts, what it is, why it is important, and what we can do to raise our level of awareness in trading. What follows is theory of personality. Here, you will be provided with a simple tool for better orientation in human personality. You will also learn which part is necessary for professional trading and what you should avoid. Expectations play a huge role in trading in general, and also during the trading process. Expectations have a huge impact on your trading, and it is important to know how to work with them. That's why we have dedicated a whole chapter to it. In this chapter, we will start putting everything together. We will talk about how to set up the trading process, what the crucial things to focus on are, and we will also provide you with a few tools on how to start building your discipline in trading. One of the biggest issues of traders are their emotions. Sometimes we might feel like we wish to have no emotions while trading, but it is not possible because we are humans. So we need to learn how to work with them so we can avoid negative spirals such as revenge trading. Having a proper system is still not enough if we don't have the ability to follow it. We will also talk about what to do so we can survive periods of losing streaks on one hand, but also how to handle big profits, which surprisingly might be an issue as well. Overall, we can say that in this section we will focus on how to trade with confidence. We know that trading is an incredibly difficult journey, and it is truly challenging to keep going in the times we struggle. In the first part of the chapter, we will provide you with a solid framework so you can perform your trading consistently. Next part is devoted to your motivation and vision, two ingredients which are essential for long-term trading. As you can see, there is a lot of information waiting for us ahead, so let's go ahead and check out what you will find useful in improving your journey as a trader. And now let's have a look at how to navigate throughout the course. The course consists of 7 chapters. After finishing every part, click on the button Next Part to get to the following part or chapter. Some parts include also a special requirement, for example quiz. In order to get into another part, you must complete everything. Once you are done with all the chapters, you will get a final evaluation with all information you wrote down within the course. You can always come back to it and use it to your advantage.
We hope that you will find this course useful,
And we wish you all the best on your trading journey.